These are the Goli Ashwagandha gummies, and these are fantastic. I've only been taking them for a few days, but I've already noticed just a noticeable difference. I feel like I breathe a little bit lighter. Things just don't seem to be as intense. I'm someone that struggled with anxiety my whole life. I've had social anxiety, generalized anxiety, a little bit of everything here and there. So for me, like having something like this that's a little bit more on the, non-processed side. This is gluten-free, non-GMO, plant-based, and vegan, which is very important to me. So I actually like the way these taste too. I know a lot of times you get these gummy supplements and they're chalky or really nasty, but these are actually really, really tasty. And I did want to show you my sleep because last night was amazing. I don't think I've ever had deep sleep that high. So I'll log into my app and show that to you. All right, so I have you here on my phone just because I want to log into my auto sleep app. And this was for last night. Today is the 31st. So this was for yesterday. And you can see that I slept 8 hours and 18 minutes, but check out the deep sleep down here. Like I was basically dead last night because my deep sleep was 4 hours and 33 minutes, which I don't think I've ever seen it that high. That is huge. And again, the only thing I've introduced is these Goli supplements. Final thoughts on these. I am so excited that I have them. I wish I would have tried them sooner, to be honest. I was a little late to the train, but I'm on the train and I'm conducting the thing. So definitely recommend these. They're really, really awesome, especially if you're struggling with stress or, memory, concentration, focus, any of that, sleep. That's another big one for this. So definitely recommend. I love these. They taste good. Give them a shot.